Hi all, today I will teach you how to earn 10% profit on Bitcoin arbitrage. In this scheme, we will use Binance and exchange. And trust me, the scheme really works. As you can see, the Bitcoin exchange rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow you to earn money already at the first stage. The first thing we need to do is top up our BTC balance. To do this, go to the wallet and click on the deposit. Here, select Bitcoin in the list, go down below and click Show Address. Then you copy this address and go to Binance. I will start with the amount 0.2 Bitcoins, but you can top up with any amount. At the time of recording the video, it's over $5,800. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all that remains for us is to profitably sell our Bitcoins on spot trading. Select Bitcoin and scroll down. Here we need to select our entire amount of Bitcoin. Finally, click on Sell BTC. Great, from this transaction we received more than about $6,500 with you. Now we just need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to Withdraw, select Tether USDT on the TRC20 network. Now go back to Binance to copy this address. Paste this address here and enter the entire amount. By the way, the fee on this exchange is one of the lowest, only $1. Finally, click on Withdraw and waiting the confirmation of the transaction blockchain. As you can see, in just one round, we have earned more than $700. I will continue to turn this scheme. This time, I replenished my wallet with 0.8 Bitcoins. We follow the same method. We go to spot trading and sell all Bitcoins. Click on Withdraw and do the same. With these methods, you can earn a stable income by selling cryptocurrencies on the exchange. Thank you, and subscribe.